now, and that oil looks a bit brown. When I first got the bike it was almost clear, so it's definitely due for a change. Just put that in there lightly for now, and we'll get and it'll be an 11. Nope, it's an 11. It's a 12. What we'll do is we'll put our drain pan here, and there it goes. So we'll wait for that to drain out. We'll take out the filler cap so we can drain easier. So I'll just show you exactly where the drain plug is. It's under there, just behind the shifter. You can see where the oil's coming out of. Alright, and that's still going, so we'll let that drain and come back later. And I'll just lean it over a little bit like so. I've actually got the Braaap engine oil for this, so I'll be using that. What I'm going to do first is, that's a bit better, isn't it? There we go. Alright, I'm going to get some around the washer and lift it up a little bit, and then make sure it's not cross-threading. It's turning quite easily. Now, supposed to torque this. I think it's at either 16 Newton meters or 22 Newton meters. My torque wrench starts at about 35, so that's useless. But and that means that it's actually quite a light amount that you torque it. So that will do. Give it a good wipe. All right, so we're ready to fill. Got our little thingy in here. Thingy. That's what it's called. Let's go. We will not forget to put this in. Give it a start. Use a little bit more, I think. So we've put in almost 700 now, I think. Let's have a look. That seems a bit better. But you know what? I'll check it again after I run it for a few minutes, just to make sure that I didn't overfill it. If I did, yeah, that seems perfect. So for me it took 700 with no oil filter. But that is how you change the oil in the Braaap MX450. Pretty much all you need. Oh, and maybe one of these so you don't make a mess. Alright, so today we're going to be using transmission specific oil, but you can use pretty much normal engine oil as long as it's 10W40. But I opted to get the transmission specific one for today. Let's get some flow. See if we get some flow through there. And some on the outside. Looks like we're not getting a good drop in there. Yep, now it's flowing out. I don't know if you guys can see that. Anyway, it's not dripping now, it's flowing. That's good. Try and get that back in. And we'll torque that down. That'll do. Click. About 750 mils they say, but there was some in there. Anyway, we'll put in 700 and or maybe we'll just go 750. No, it just seems like it can't flow in quick enough. So we just have to do it slowly. and we're done. That's your transmission oil change.